Welcome back. Today's letter is to Yann LeCun, Chief Scientist at Meta, a company whose platforms have shaped the information landscape of our time, and in some cases, real-world violence. Dear Professor LeCun, between 2017 and 2025, independent investigations, human rights organizations, and international courts have all documented how Facebook's algorithms amplified hate speech in places like Myanmar, Ethiopia, and Bangladesh, contributing to communal violence, mass displacement, and crimes later described by UN investigators as genocidal. Facebook later acknowledged that its systems played a role in amplifying incitement to violence. Amnesty International has called your company's business model the surveillance of billions of people, a systemic threat to human rights. And yet Meta continues to expand its AI systems into new frontiers of content control, behavioral prediction, and thought mapping, all under the banner of connection. Professor LeCun, you are one of the most respected scientists of your generation. You received the Turing Award for work that helped make modern AI possible. How do you reconcile open scientific discovery with the closed, profit-driven architectures that deploy it at scale? The harm caused by those algorithms wasn't theoretical. Real people died. If Facebook's algorithms had been a biological pathogen or a vaccine released without sufficient safeguards, what responsibility would have lied with the scientists? What responsibility do tech scientists have when the deployment of intelligent systems repeatedly amplifies harm? And what regulatory framework should exist for algorithmic systems with population-level effects? Should there be professional liability in AI, like in medicine or engineering? Respectfully. Our next letter will be to Yann LeCun, the former head of safety at OpenAI. Thank you to anyone who listened.